Before you decide real estate isn't for you because you don't have the money or the experience, let me spend a quick 30 seconds with you to show you how to quickly and easily overcome the 3 biggest challenges facing new real estate investors today. Number 1, money to do deals. Number 2, finding good deals that have enough profit left in on them to make it even worthwhile to do them in the first place. Number 3, the experience to avoid costly mistakes and to maximize your profit on every deal. You see, I have all 3 of these. In fact, I have more than enough of all 3 of these for both of us. So much so that my challenge is I don't have the time to handle all these deals, and I could use your help with these deals. So if you are interested and serious about becoming financially free, this would be the best opportunity for you to get started in real estate with very little cash. Now, I'm not going to sit here and blow smoke like the big gurus and tell you that this is all sunshine and rainbows and the money just magically appears automatically into your bank account. I don't believe in that hocus pocus. In fact, when I was first getting started in real estate 12 years ago, I fell for all that and wasted a lot of time, energy, and money following outdated practices that didn't work anymore. So as you can see, I'm the real deal. I'm active in today's real estate market, and I'm offering for you to do deals with me. Use my money and experience to leapfrog your success, to avoid the do-it-yourself books and tapes learning curve, and reach financial freedom in the shortest time possible. So what do you want to do? Are you going to continue to live your current lifestyle, or are you ready to upgrade your lifestyle and start getting checks like these? Today, the door is open for you to join my team, but tomorrow, my team may be full, and you'll never see this video again. So the ball is in your court. I trust you'll make the right decision for your family and your financial well-being. I hope to see you inside.